Hello everyone, this is your friend Swastik Padsalkar and welcome to my channel that is Pens and Quotes. Okay guys, today we have some beautiful collections of pens and these pens are craftsmanship of writing. The manufacturing of these pens are really premium. I'm talking about the pilot pens. These pens may appear simple with plastic body, but the writing experience they give is really fabulous. So let us know each of them one by one. This is Pilot V5 black color. This is also Pilot V5 high tech point. It is also of blue color with 0.5 mm tip, and this is the retractable version of. It is a pure liquid ink pen with zero point 0.7 mm of tip. It is written here V7RT. Quote for the day is from a Japanese writer. So let us go with it. I will use this pen, just Pilot V7 Precise. So what does this quote means? That is fall 7 times, stand up it. This quote shows that we must never fall prey to our failures. We must always show our perseverance and dedication to our work. Whatever we do, we must keep on going until we achieve our goals. It is a very simple quote, but it is very powerful at the same time to keep us motivated every day to do our work. One thing famous about Japan is their anime. The anime culture is very long and it is a little bit historical also. First came manga, then their animated version came into the picture of motion. The anime that I had watched most of the time is Dragon Ball Z. So let me try drawing it. It might not seem very accurate, but I will still try it. We'll try drawing Goku. His hairs are so like this, or this spiked hair fashion anime character with a sharp jawline and face. The eyebrows. I hope this video finds you well. Thank you so much, and please kindly like, share and subscribe to the channel.